And today we'll be playing a game called
Guess what she's thinking.
It's kind of like twin telepathy or sibling telepathy. So in the count of 3 she'll guess any name, animal, food or any random thing that she'll think that I'm thinking. So in 1, 2, 3, guess the name.
Wendy.
Nothing. Color. 1, 2, 3, blue.
Yellow.
Food. 1, 2, 3,
Pizza.
chapati. School. In 1, 2, 3, Luak. TV program. In 1, 2, 3, Henry Danger. Animal. In 1, 2, 3,
Cat.
nothing. Number. In 1, 2, 3, 3. That's a lie. Celebrity. In 1, 2, 3, Rihanna. We are close. Any random thing. In 1, 2, 3, grass. Any sibling. In 1, 2, 3, Vinta. Any cousin. In 1, 2, 3, nothing. Any cartoon. Any cartoon show. In 1, 2, 3, nothing. Any random drink. In 1, 2, 3, water. Any clothes brand. In 1, 2, 3, Adidas. Any shoe type. In 1, 2, 3,
Adidas.
nothing. Celebrity. Any random fruit. In 1, 2, 3, banana.
Mango.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have someone. My sister. What's your name?
Wendy.
Today we'll be playing.